great shot right here.
Isabel.
And look at by the tree.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh, they're hanging on the tree. Are these their exoskeletons?
Uh-huh.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
And I don't like bugs, but this is so effing cool.
Look at that.
I told you. Oh,
Is that a live one? Look right there.
Oh yeah, look at all that.
look. Hey, look. Oh.
Yeah, this is where they come up from. See, you gotta take a picture of the holes, if you can. Like, stand right over top here.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah. This one's moving. A little bit.
We're gonna be all cicadaed out.
Hey, look.
We're gonna be all cicadaed out.
Hey, look.
We're gonna be all cicadaed out.
Hey, look.
Did you get it?
Hey, look. Hey.